Hey guys, this is Nipal. In today's video, I am going to show you how to ban someone on TikTok. The process is actually very easy to do, so let's jump in now. You can do that to someone who you are following on TikTok or someone who is following your TikTok, or you can even discover someone on TikTok and then ban the person. Now the reason why you would want to ban that person could be because of the person content. Maybe you don't like the person's content, or it could be for any reason at all. I am going to show you how you can get that person banned on TikTok. Now what I am going to do is to show you how to do this with someone who I am actually following on TikTok. In your case, you can go ahead and search for any user at all. Now for example, if I want to ban this person, I am going to have to click on these three dots at the top right corner of the person profile, and then I will find this option right here. Now if you look at the bottom, you find this option to report. Now go ahead and click on that report. Now I am going to select report account. Now you have to choose, you have to select a reason why you actually want to get this person banned on TikTok. Now I am just going to select the first option. For example, then I am going to choose any of this reason. Alright, once you are done choosing, go ahead and submit your report, and then it will be under review. Now TikTok is going to look into it. Now if this user continues getting reports from these accounts, then TikTok is going to ban the user. Now what I mean is that if people keep reporting these accounts, then TikTok is going to ban the user. So this was the process by which you can ban someone on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.